Tenses made easy. English to Urdu. Past perfect tense. Affirmative sentences. सादा जुमले. He had written a letter. इसने खत लिखा था. I had gone to school. मैं स्कूल गया था. We had played cricket. हमने क्रिकेट खेली थी. Interrogative sentences. सवालिया जुमले. Had he written a letter? क्या उसने खत लिखा था. Had I gone to school? क्या मैं स्कूल गया था. Had we played cricket? क्या हमने क्रिकेट खेली थी. Negative sentences. मनफी जुमले. He had not written a letter. इसने खत नहीं लिखा था. I had not gone to school. मैं स्कूल नहीं गया था. We had not played cricket. हमने क्रिकेट नहीं खेली थी.